Hello fashionistas, welcome to Fashion World. Today's video is going to be about Ankara skirt and blouse. The styles in today's video speaks for itself. Our skirt and blouse is long-aged styles for every woman. Every woman, regardless of your preference when it comes to fashion, you must at least at some point have skirt and blouse in your closet. And in this very video, the styles in this video cut across age and body type. Everyone must definitely have something you will love in this very video. They are latest, awesome, beautiful skirt and blouse styles. And when you talk of modest, this video depicts modesty in its highest order, and trust me, you are going to love preponderance of all the styles in this very video. Yes, they are skirt and blouse, but the way they are made have different unique features to them, and that is where the issue of preference comes in. So we are presenting this to you from these plectorals of styles, just for you to have that opportunity to make your choices from this very video. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, iconic fashion designers who are behind this masterpiece and avail us the opportunity to showcase them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. As I said earlier, skirt and blouse, it's been a long time coming for skirt and blouse. Like, skirt and blouse has been around for only God knows when, and regardless of cultural background, every woman must definitely at some point put on skirt and blouse. And today's skirt and blouse styles are terrific, awesome, suitable for comfort. Just sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled, stunned, wowed, with doses of maximum inspiration from the video, from the beginning to the end, and most definitely, you'll be glad you did. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and share with family and friends for also even to spread trend of African designs and styles across the world. And subscribe if you have not done that, and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a lovely video like this on this platform. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. And I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, all sing your high line.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.